Hi guys, hi, welcome to this video. Yes, so if you want to see some birds, I got a video after this one, so you're very welcome. Some birds that it was in my mom's neighborhood, and I just shot uh, um, the video there with the birds, and it was great. It was good. So yeah, so you're welcome. Here we go. Hi. How was the video of the birds? You guys like birds and stuff, animals and stuff, wild animals, you know. Yeah. So I hope that video was good. So now you're gonna see a sewer that was clogged, and the city of Nashua, New Hampshire, declogged it, and there was a big puddle there. So here we go. Hi, yes. So now you're gonna hi. How was how was the well, yeah, that sewer was clogged and stuff. So now you're gonna see is uh the problem that was there. All right. Yeah. Now you can now. Yeah, that was clogged, but the city unclogged it. That's good. And now you're gonna see a um a autumn leaf. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, how was the leaf? You guys like nature and stuff, you know? So basically, so yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.